Do you want to earn some extra income but find it tough to do so because you're a teenager? It's a strange feeling, isn't it? Whether you want to buy something you like without having to ask your parents for money, or if you just want to start earning money for the future, there are a lot of ways for you to do that, even if you're as young as 15 or 16 years old, even younger for some jobs. The world has changed a lot. Digital jobs are no longer a myth. They are very much a part of everyday life, and now that working from home has become such a common situation, the demand for these jobs keeps getting higher and higher with each passing day. Sounds great, right? Now, you might be thinking that all of this sounds pretty awesome, but where do you start? There's no need to worry about that, because here I am again with the solution in this video. We're going to take a look at the best earning opportunities for teenagers like you. This video is going to talk about a lot of legitimate opportunities for teenagers to earn money, so make sure that you pay attention till the end. Who knows, maybe you'll find a great option for regular income by the time you're done watching it. If you want to stay informed about other interesting ways to make money and manage your finances, then click the subscribe button below and turn on the video notifications so you don't miss out on anything. Let's fill those pockets. The easiest way that most of you can start off with is by selling stuff you don't need. It's pretty much the easiest way to get some quick cash without asking your parents for it. It could be anything, maybe some old books or toys or even clothes. There's a market for everything, so get online and check for places where you can list everything you don't need. You can check out sites like Decluttering Vinted. Another nice way to fill your pockets is teaching English. There is a strong demand for this kind of job, and there are never enough people available to fill in this slot. You can apply for these jobs even if you're as young as 16 years old. You can actually earn as much as $10 for a 30-minute session, so if English is your first language, then I definitely think you should at least give it a shot. SameSpeak is one such agency that is looking for English speakers to join them. Another way to make use of your English skills is by proofreading. There are a few proofreading sites like Textmaster or Mturk that allow you to join them if you're 17 or older. All you have to do is read other people's work and edit them accordingly. It might be strenuous, but it is still a good source of income. You also get the chance to start building on your resume. This is a career that excites you. Tutoring is, of course, not limited to English either. If you're great at mathematics, physics, or any other such subjects, then you can sign up as an online tutor for sites like Kaplan and TutorCare as well. Some subjects pay higher than others depending on the demand, but you will still be bringing back a decent amount of money by the end of each month. The age requirements are according to the level of proficiency needed in the subjects you choose, but you'll be fine if you're around 18. Of course, no teenager can discuss earning money without bringing up the most popular source of income, babysitting. It has been a typical teenager's job since forever, and it's no different right now. There are so many single parents and working couples right now that raising a child has become a very stressful activity. All you need to do is register yourself on the popular websites or apps like SitterCity and Care.com, and you'll find that there are lots of babysitting gigs available for young teenagers like yourself. You can earn as much as $15 to $20 per hour, so if you're responsible and like kids, then this will be some easy money for you. Something you might have already heard about is the option of taking surveys in exchange for rewards. Now, you'll have to do some research to see which sites are reliable, but all in all, survey sites can be convenient for you. Not all of them pay you in direct transfers, but they do have other options like gift cards and PayPal Cash. Some sites even allow you to register if you're above 13, so it's kind of a no-brainer for you to at least see what it's all about. Some reliable sites that I found are Swagbucks and LifePoints. There are a few customer service sites like U-Haul that accept people who are at least 16 years old. You will most probably need your own USB headset and a good internet connection, but you can get paid between $8.50 per hour to $10 an hour. There are also additional bonuses along with an option to increase your hourly pay if you perform well. It might not be for everyone, but it's still worth a shot. Do you like criticizing stuff? Well, you can actually make money off it too. There are companies that want youngsters to test out their websites and apps before officially launching them into the market. You can register on sites like Ipsos Mori and Slice the Pie as a tester and point out any issues you find while using them in exchange for payments. The pay is not very high, but if a company likes the way you review them, they might approach you for more lucrative opportunities. These jobs require you to be at least 17 years old. Now, I'm going to talk about all the popular options that you must have been expecting right at the start. First off, you can start your own blog. This won't make you money straight away, but with dedication and time, you can build up your own audience and generate traffic to other places via your blog. This will give you the opportunity to earn via sponsors, ads, and affiliate links. And guess what? You can start your own blog even if you're as young as 12 or 13. Then there's YouTube. You might have heard about the little boy who makes millions every year just by reviewing toys. Now, I'm not saying that your luck is going to turn out just like his, but if you are confident about certain topics, then you should definitely start your own YouTube channel. There's no specific age requirement as such, so starting out as a teenager is a pretty good way of learning how it works. If your content does well, then the possibilities are endless. There will be sponsors, affiliates, ad revenue, and even the possibility of collaborating with YouTube itself via other channels and shows. Just look at all the successful YouTube celebrities out there right now and you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. If you want to learn more about this nice way to earn money, make sure to check the link in bio. Also, don't forget about becoming a social media influencer. Whether it's Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or any other platform, you can make some serious money right from the age of 13 if everything works out well for you. Go viral, make connections, learn from your experiences, and you could very well become the next big thing on the internet. Just make sure that your passion and dedication stay strong throughout your journey. Now back to other modes of earning, you could always sign up as a freelancer on various websites like Upwork and Fiverr. Some of these websites require you to be at least 18 years of age, but there are quite a few that also allow you to join if you're around 15 and above. As a freelancer, you can pick any skill that you want and get paid for it. It could be design or writing or programming or literally any other skill, there is always a market for it. This way, you can build up your professional profile from an early age to prepare yourself for the time you want to get completely serious with your career. You can sign up to become a Fiverr freelancer via the link in bio. If you don't want to sign up for a freelance website, then you can also choose from a variety of websites that are dedicated to particular skills that suit your liking. One such example is Cafe Press. It's completely up to you and what makes you comfortable. There are some websites that pay you simply for watching advertisements. It's a form of marketing as it aims to spread awareness about certain products and services. The pay is not much, but if you have the spare time and don't really want to put in much effort, you could probably make around $20 or $30 each month from this activity. Specific ads have specific age requirements, but you're good to go if you're 15 and over. Try my points first, it's a reliable site. You can also review music online, but you will get paid at a similar rate to that of watching online advertisements. At best, you might make an income of $40 or $50 depending on your availability and your clients. Regardless, it's a nice way to enter the music industry if that's your thing. You need to be at least 16 years old for this. Music X-Ray is one such site for you to try out. You can also sign up to review calls as part of the quality checking process. You will have to listen to the calls and then answer a set of questions pertaining to those calls. Some will be open-ended questions, but most of them will have a selection of answers for you to choose from. The rates are calculated hourly and you will be paid via PayPal. The starting age for these jobs is around 14 years old. One popular website for this activity is Atexto. There are a few apps that give you the opportunity to earn money by playing online games, most of these are card games. I urge you to do your research before choosing to sign up for this. Wow, that was a lot, wasn't it? It just goes on to show how many amazing earning opportunities you have as a teenager in the modern world. I obviously only mentioned the best and most reliable options I could find while doing my research. As long as you work hard and stay focused, there is nothing that can stop you from earning your own money at a young age. The world is in your hands, now you must decide what you want to do with it. Hit that like button if this video has motivated you to check out your online earning options. If you're new here and want to check out some other videos about earning money, then head over to my channel, Money Time. If there's something you think I should have added in this video, let me know in the comments section. I hope to see you in my next video, take care.